I have an incredibly important announcement for you all. That Wembu is dead. Just recently killed in a massive explosion after trying to escape law custody. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to do it on stage as I promised, but with Wembu dead, that's one less criminal we have to worry about. And the server has now become a much safer place for all of us. I promise you that for once, I am not going to be someone who misleads you.
Sorry I'm late.
Parrot!
I had to bring a special guest. Yo, bro. Here, you can come over here.
Hey, what's good, lettuce?